said earlier, it's Monday. Yeah, I'm not leaving here quite at 10 like I had originally planned, and my little Instagram timer is, anyway. Knew that kind of going to bed at 2 a.m. last night, so. But here, this is what the floor looks like. I think it came out really well. I think it matches decent with the board. Carpet would have been nice, but did not have the time or really the money. So I'm going to touch up that and a couple other spots, and then I got some other more, like you'll see upstairs. And then I did already get Puma prints off. The magic eraser worked really well. I'm really gonna miss the shower. I love the shower. I love it's just the whole aesthetic scene. I like it. Like, I really love the penny tile, the marbling, and as I did mention earlier, I love these little magnetic shower curtain things. I think they work exceptionally well. They hold the curtain. The rod needs to be a little bit lower so it's not dangling, but you know, yeah. I don't know why. I'm gonna miss this bathroom. I have my fish stuff in some contractor bags. And there's a cougar. Good girl, Lucy. Huh? Good girl. And all of our shit. Because I don't have a fancy tunnel cover like that, so it might rain.
So I can touch up whatever I get.
Yep.
On that side, because you're all done with the white after that, right?
Yeah, I just gotta do this side where you were.
Yep. You gotta do that side and just the bathroom, correct?
Correct.
We'll be under contract well before the end of, the term, but
Yeah.
it'll start tomorrow and then go to August 3rd. You've got the legal description, the address, price and terms, $265, and then possession. Are you guys will be out within the next month? You think 45 days?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd say as long as we got our 30 days after,
Okay, so I'm gonna put you
Is it 30 days after it sells, John? Is there a
yes,
week it goes
yes,
pending, or-
after closing.
Yeah, that's great for us.
30 days.
I know.
Got it. Okay, commission and fees, a total of 4.5%.
Yeah.
Which I think, I don't know the crystal ball, but I think things are gonna slow down in the coming months. That's just my.
Which I guess is what they're doing it for. They're trying to combat inflation. When people are paying really high for houses because they don't pay much
A lot of
interest.
the big mortgage companies, you've seen they're starting to lay off some people, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just because they're oversaturated with these mortgage, loan officers, and there's just not enough business to go around. Sales are down, 2-3% from last year.
Yeah.
But and the only reason that is because there's less inventory.
Yeah. Yeah, the inventory has drove itself down,
Yeah.
So another, I get it probably. Another change plans. They just left from taking pictures, and it's 7:10. There's no way I'm driving 3.5 hours with my cats. It's gonna be pitch black, and we cannot happen. So. Good morning, you guys. It is Tuesday. We should have been at the cabin. As you know, Rosie, inside voice. As you know, yeah, that didn't happen yesterday. I didn't really get ready. My makeup's all packed up in the truck. My clothes are all packed up in the truck. But the guy's here. And he is digging our hole for our sign. So that is going up today. This light is it's better. And I just got out of the shower. Couldn't even use shampoo or anything because that's all packed away. It's been a little hectic, but we are planning to leave tomorrow because the actual house is going to go up for sale on Thursday, which is today's 3rd, so the 5th, right? Yesterday's the 2nd, today's the 3rd, tomorrow's the 4th, Wednesday, and then, yeah, so it's gonna go up on the 5th of May. And yeah, we gotta be out of here so they could show the house. My tarp came off because it rained last night. It's supposed to actually rain all day today too, so, and all my stuff's in bags. Oh, booby, huh? Stay down. Good girl, here comes her sister.
Thing. You know, so when they get inside, them fuckers will go lay right by the heating vent because they, yeah, because they don't, they're just like, you know.
Big fur coat, you know.
I'm about to paint the room that has my initials on the ground. Like I carved it in the cement. Bad news is it's Wednesday. We're still here, you know, hence the honeycomb backsplash. But good news is I found my charger. So we can charge the battery, you know, but I think we're leaving tomorrow because they're doing showings on Friday, so we have to be out tomorrow. The rest of today is just getting everything out and just the final touches. Like we gotta glue this one little baseboard thing down, like that's just simple. The basement's fully painted, all the boards are almost up. We got one more board that we gotta put up, but that's, actually it's not even a full board, it's just like a little strip, like, yeah. So, super excited. Tomorrow we'll be leaving. I'm not sure what time we're leaving. I got new cat carriers right there. Because this one's going back. Because this does not stay up unless it's zipped. And I want my cats to get used to being able to lay in them. And yeah, so no. That one's going back to Amazon. And she's waiting for a cat dish. One thing I did fail to mention. My truck flooded. The tarp did not work that well. And so all my clothes, I don't know, yeah, there's still just a puddle of water. But all my clothes got soaking wet, so since all my clothes got soaking wet, I had to rewash them, and now they're drying, so that's cool. At least I figured it out here while I have a washer and dryer, because up north we don't. And they would have just been hang drying. But I need a pair of scissors, and I can't find, I have no idea where any of the other ones are. And luckily, for some odd reason, I keep one in my car. You never know when you need a pair of scissors, right? Good boy. Happy moving day! It is Thursday and we are actually officially packing up to be out of here. We really have to be out of here today because there's several showings tomorrow, an open house on Saturday and Sunday. Oh, what are you doing, cute Posy? Huh? Oh, he's my little Rosie. Good girl. Finishing touches. So first, just really quick, here's the spare bedroom, or like an office. I gotta change the setting, more blue. Little like closet, or oh, we gotta get all that out. Huh. We'll go to the bathroom after. Like a little linen closet. the second like main bedroom. And that same thing, push. And the main bedroom. And the master bedroom. Unfortunately, that's not a push closet. What's up, little Poom? And our bathroom. Yeah, you like the bathroom too? Touchless faucet. Big ass mirror. What's up, guys? I got tape in my pocket. New thermostat. It doesn't need to be 70 in here. Puma said true. Brand new fridge. It still has the plastic on it. IKEA cabinets, sink, Whirlpool dishwasher. Older so, but it's newer, like, I don't know, within the last 5 years. It's a Frigidaire.
That kid was like, my girlfriend thought it was stupid to fucking know.
Oh, I know. I'm doing a quick little tour even though we're not empty just because I don't know if I will get too late next time. This is where we're temporarily sleeping. Oh, who's a pretty cougar? Did you guys scab on my face, guys? I'm getting a cone today because I keep itching and making it worse. A little Hufflepuff. Nice like chill area it could be, or I don't know, make it a bar setting area. Washer dryer. I love this board. This is what he was talking about that the kid's girlfriend said was dumb. Our lighting that you can change the color. Or you could hook up your Bluetooth and play music. It is what it is. And then I noticed one other thing I gotta do. I gotta wipe that fan. And then just another spare room. It could be used as a bedroom, an office, you know. Oh, and brand new glass back windows. So yeah, small little house tour. Cat carrier is ready to go. Puma, you are in the wrong carrier. You are not a 26-pound Maine Coon. You unfortunately don't get the Cat Palace. That one or that one is yours. Those two are the same. So I couldn't afford another one, Poom. I'm sorry. It's like $100 cat carrier. I got them off Amazon. Actually, it was like 78, but still. Boy, Belly. Rosie, you be a good girl. He's allowed to drink water.
She just finished this.
I know.
She just feeling weird. She doesn't know what's going on.
You're okay, though.
The whole house is empty.
Yeah, I'm cleaning our fridge. We gotta get the rest of this stuff out. Just the bottom stuff. I don't. Actually, I'll just throw it out probably. But
We're not gonna have room for the icicles and stuff.
icicles?
The cooling bars, yeah.
Oh. So say, tell them how you feel.
We were hoarders here.
That's not what I was talking about.
Oh, I'm excited. Mom's not, I am.
I'm not really excited, but it's a new adventure, a new chapter, so.
I am thrilled. Don't cry. I love you. We'll be okay.
Really mad because I wanted to capture my cats getting in their carrier because, you know, and I forgot, so We got a Rocky, a Callie, and a loud little Puma. And 2 frogs. And then he has the 2 pit bulls, Lucy and Rosie.
A little more trans fluid, but I'll be okay.
Okay.
I got the deep pan.
I just say, where am I looking? I'm not really sure. They are not happy. Can you hear them? That's just Puma. Rocky's actually doing very well. He's staying quiet. Callie occasionally will give us a little meow. I get to deal with this for 4 hours. Oh, I do love you guys. You're okay.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Pretty sure you can hear him. He sounds like somebody's murdering him. I'm sorry, Puma, I'm sorry. But it is getting dark. We have like an hour left of driving, so my camera's turning. I don't know if you can hear me. So I'm going to end it here. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out tremendously. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to fix out some content and hang out a little bit longer, or, you know, just hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and watch one of these videos right here. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! Puma said bye, too. Just got to the cabin. Already lost a cat. I was telling them we just got to the cabin and already lost a cat.
Yeah, we're having a rough night.
Yep. Almost lost 2 cats. Found one and then lost the other. So it's been fun, and it's obviously it's pitch black.